This Torah class is brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.
Parshas Tetzaveh, the Torah tells us about the Ephod and the Choshen. V'lo yizach ha-Choshen me'al ha-Ephod. The Choshen cannot move off the Ephod, to the point where it is a lav in the Torah. It is a lav. To the point where the Gemara in Yuma says on Daf Ayin Beis, Kol ha-meziach es ha-Choshen min ha-Ephod loike. Why? Why is this such a strict isser? Why does the Torah juxtapose the two? These are two separate begadim. Why do the Choshen and the Ephod have to be together? Now the Choshen was mechaper for one who is ma'aves the din, one who perverted justice. The Ephod, on the other hand, is mechaper for avodah zarah. What's the connection between ivos hadin, perversion of justice, and avodah zarah? Comes the Chasam Sofer, and the Chasam Sofer says, the Gemara says in Sanhedrin Daf Zayin Amud Beis, that kol hamamid dayin she'enoi hagon ki'ilu nata ashera itzel hamizbeach. Anyone who appoints a dayan that is not proper, it is as if he planted a tree of avodah zarah next to the mizbeach. So from here we learn that there is a very strong connection between the perversion of justice and avodah zarah. And therefore, in order to emphasize and be madgish this connection, that the perversion of justice is like avodah zarah, therefore the Torah says to pair them together, to understand and recognize that perversion of justice is akin to planting a tree of avodah zarah. Rav Yaakov Kamenetsky in the Emes Yaakov also explains the connection between perversion of justice and avodah zarah. Says Rabbi Yaakov Kamenetsky, citing Rabbeinu Nissim Goin in his Hakdama Tashas, that avodah zarah is considered an avera sichlas, because avodah zarah is an akmimos haseichal. It's a perversion of yashros. It's exactly and precisely like ivos hadin. Both of them are a perversion of human logic and reason. One would have thought that ivos hadin is bein adam lachaveroi, and avodah zarah is bein adam lamakam, but they have a very strong common denominator. And that common denominator is it's a perversion of the intelligence and human thinking. They both demonstrate a crookedness, a unstraightness in a person's mind. Comes Rav Moshe Feinstein in the Darash Moshe, and Rav Moshe says, yes, there is another connection between the perversion of justice and avodah zarah. If somebody rationalizes in money, in the areas of finances and monetary areas, it's not just an isolated problem. One who is able to pervert justice, that means deep down there is a lack in their amunah and HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Because if they would truly believe that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is watching, seeing, and will hold them accountable, they would never come to that perversion of justice. So an ivos hadin is avodah zarah. And therefore, we tell this person, if you have perverted justice, you don't only need the kapara of the Choshen, you also need the kapara of the Ephod. So the Chasam Sofer says, it's to teach that someone who's ma'aves mamid adayin she'enoi hagon, the Gemara says, someone who appoints an unjust judge, it's like planting an Asherah tree. It's to make perversion of justice like avodah zarah. Rabbi Yaakov Kamenetsky says it's to teach the common denominator, that both of them are a perversion of human thinking. And Rav Moshe says it's to teach that ivos hadin is akin to avodah zarah, because one who truly believed in Hashem would never come to such an error. Wishing everyone a great Shabbos.
You've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.